I didn't rebuild my wardrobe because I wanted to look fashionable. I rebuilt it because I was tired of thinking. Too many clothes, nothing to wear. Everything technically fine, but nothing really working. And here's what I realized. Most men over 50 don't need more options. They need fewer decisions. So I stripped everything back and I rebuilt a complete wardrobe with just 12 items. Not 12 outfits, 12 pieces that work together, mix effortlessly, and cover real life. Errands, dinners, travel, casual days, slightly dressed up moments. Let me walk you through it exactly how I built it, and why this works better than having a closet full of almost right clothes. The rule I followed before buying anything. Now, before we talk items, this matters. Every piece had to do at least 3 jobs. If it only worked in one situation, didn't make the cut. This is how capsule wardrobes actually succeed. Versatility beats variety every time. And I built this with a very real man in mind. Busy, practical, not interested in fashion theory, and just wants to look put together without effort. Alright, so let's start with the foundation. Items 1 and 2. 2 t-shirts that don't look like undershirts. This is where most guys get tripped up right away. You don't need a pile of t-shirts. You just need 2 that actually hold their ground. Clean, well-cut, and intentional. Not paper thin, not boxy, not trying to be trendy. 1 in a light neutral, 1 in a darker neutral. That's it. These shirts do more work than almost anything else in the wardrobe. They act as base layers, standalone tops, and quiet support under sweaters and jackets. When they're right, everything on top looks better automatically. The key detail that most men miss is fabric. Weight matters. You want something smooth with just enough structure to keep its shape after washing. Logos don't matter here. Drape does. This is why simple, familiar stores quietly win this category. They do normal extremely well. And when normal fits properly, it reads expensive. Get these 2 right, and you're going to unlock half the wardrobe without even trying. Item 3. A lightweight sweater that doesn't add bulk. This is where the wardrobe starts feeling grown without feeling stiff. A lightweight, fine-gauge sweater instantly elevates casual outfits. Not chunky, not oversized, just clean and controlled. You can throw it over a t-shirt, layer it over a button-down, or slide it under a jacket and the outfit immediately feels intentional. This piece matters more after 50 because bulk behaves differently. Heavy knits tend to sit at the waist and so they pull the eye downward. Lighter knits keep the silhouette smooth and balanced, which is why they look sharper on mature frames. Brands that understand adult proportion do this category best. You're not dressing for comfort alone anymore, you're dressing for clarity. The sweater should skim the body, sit clean on the shoulders, and stop at around the belt line. When you get this right, quietly replaces multiple hoodies. You still feel comfortable, you just look like you planned it. Item 4. A clean button-down that you can wear casually. This one is all about balance. You're not looking for a dress shirt. You're not looking for anything stiff or shiny either. You just need 1 clean button-down that feels relaxed but still pulled together. Something that you can wear untucked, layer under a sweater, or throw on when a t-shirt feels too casual but a jacket feels like too much. Soft fabric, clean collar, no loud patterns competing for attention. This shirt ends up doing a lot of quiet work. It moves between settings without effort, errands, dinner, casual meetings, and it never feels out of place. It's also why familiar stores tend to do this category so well. Classic cuts, forgiving fabrics, and proportions that actually work on real bodies. Get this one right, and you've got a piece that bridges casual and polished better than almost anything else in your wardrobe. Item 5. A lightweight jacket that goes with everything. This is the most important item in the entire build. 1 clean, lightweight jacket. No shine, no tech overload, no excess pockets. Something that just sits clean on the shoulders and stops it around the hip. This jacket is what people notice first. It's also what dates men the fastest when it's wrong. Nordstrom Rack is great here if you like the idea of something that would cost more without actually paying for it. Uniqlo also nails simple outerwear for guys who don't want to think too much. This piece alone can make a basic outfit look intentional. Items 6 and 7. 2 pairs of pants. That's it. You don't need a wall of pants. You just need 2 that actually work. The first is a straight leg dark jean. No distressing, no heavy fades, nothing loud. Just clean denim that plays well with everything above it. Casual when you want it to be, polished when you need it to be. The second is a structured trouser or chino. Mid-rise, calm leg, clean front. This is the piece that pulls an outfit together without making it feel dressed up. It gives you range without complicating anything. This pairing covers nearly every situation. Relaxed days, errands, dinners, casual events. And there's a reason that more men over 50 are moving away from slim fits. It's not just comfort. Relaxed structure reads more confident. Here's the truth that most guys feel instinctively. If your pants are fighting your body, then they're fighting your confidence. When the fit supports you, everything else falls into place. Item 8. 1 pair of shoes that you can wear most days. This is where a lot of wardrobes collapse. You need 1 pair of shoes that works with jeans and trousers. Not athletic, not dressy. Clean, simple, and easy. Leather sneakers or casual leather shoes work best here. Neutral color, minimal branding. This is a category where Target, Kohl's, and Nordstrom Rack all do surprisingly well. Familiar shapes, no nonsense. If the shoes are clean, then the outfit feels clean. If they're beat up, nothing else matters. Item 9. 1 slightly dressier shoe. This shoe is not for weddings or special occasions. It's for those moments when sneakers feel a little too casual, but full dress shoes would feel forced. A simple loafer or a low-profile boot works perfectly here. Clean shape, neutral tone. Nothing pointy or flashy. The goal isn't to stand out, it's to look appropriate without thinking too hard about it. This one gives the wardrobe range. It lets you move from day to night, casual to slightly polished without changing your entire outfit. And here's the key. You don't need to wear this shoe often. You just need to have it. When the moment comes, you're ready. And that's the point. Item 10. A belt that matches both shoes. Now this one sounds boring, but it's critical. You need 1 clean leather belt in a neutral tone that works with both pairs of shoes. No oversized buckles or contrast stitching. Nothing that pulls attention to itself. It's a small detail, but it does a lot of quiet work. When the belt is right, then the outfit feels finished. When it's wrong, something feels off, even if you can't immediately explain why. And most guys don't realize just how much this matters until they fix it. And then suddenly, everything looks more intentional without adding a single new piece. That is the power of the right details. Item 11. A simple watch or daily accessory. This is not about status or showing anything off. It's about completion. 1 simple watch that you can wear every day. Clean face, neutral strap, nothing loud or distracting. Just something that feels considered. Even when the outfit is simple, this signals intention. It shows that you didn't just get dressed, you finished the look. Most men underestimate just how much this matters. A small accessory like this pulls everything together quietly without demanding attention. It's not there to impress, it's there to make the whole outfit feel done. And finally, item 12, 1 warm layer for real life. This last piece is about real life. Depending upon where you live, it might be a heavier sweater, a coat, or a lined jacket. The exact item matters a heck of a lot less than the role it plays. This layer is not about style points, it's about consistency. When the weather shifts, most men tend to fall back into old habits. The worn jacket, the oversized coat, the thing that doesn't really work anymore. This piece prevents that. It gives you a go-to option that still fits the system that you've built, even when temperatures drop. And this is where the familiar stores tend to shine. They design for real conditions and real routines, not runway moments. When your warm layer works with everything else, then the whole wardrobe stays on track, no matter the season. Now, why does this 12-item wardrobe work? Well, here's the part that surprised me. Once everything worked together, then I stopped thinking about clothes entirely. No overthinking, no second guessing. Every top worked with every bottom. Every shoe made sense. Every layer added something instead of competing. That is the power of restraint. And this is why stores like Uniqlo, Macy's, and even Walmart work out so well for men over 50. They aren't trying to impress, they're trying to function. Used intentionally, that is a huge advantage. This is not about minimalism, it's about clarity. 12 items, no noise, no stress, just clothes that work together and respect the life that you actually live. Gentlemen, if this helped you rethink your wardrobe, then do me a favor. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below, do you want a winter version, a travel version, or a dress-it-up capsule next? Remember this, you don't need more clothes, you need fewer decisions made better. See you next time.